What if you could start making money online today, using tools that are completely free? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use free ad tools like ChatGPT and Canva to start building income streams online. Whether you're into writing, design, social media, or just looking for side hustle ideas that actually work in 2025. Before we jump in, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because the best tools are free, and the best time to use them is now. From digital products to content creation to freelancing tips, these step-by-step ideas can help you turn creativity and AI into cash with zero upfront cost. Content creation services. One of the most accessible ways to monetize AI tools is by offering content creation services. ChatGPT can help you write blog posts, social media captions, email newsletters, and product descriptions for businesses. Start by creating sample content in various niches to showcase your abilities. Many small businesses struggle with consistent content creation and are willing to pay $20.50 per blog post or $5.15 per social media post. Use ChatGPT to research topics, generate outlines, and create engaging content quickly. You can handle multiple clients simultaneously since AI speeds up your workflow dramatically. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Facebook groups are great places to find your first clients. As you build a portfolio and collect testimonials, you can gradually increase your rates and attract higher-paying clients. Graphic design and visual content. Canva's ad-powered design tools make professional-looking graphics accessible to everyone, even without design experience. You can create logos, social media graphics, infographics, business cards, and presentations for clients. The demand for visual content is enormous, with businesses needing constant graphics for their marketing efforts. Start by mastering Canva's templates and AI features like magic resize and background remover. Create a portfolio showcasing different design styles and industries. Offer package deals like 10 Instagram posts for $50 or complete brand package for $200. Many entrepreneurs and small businesses need consistent visual branding but can't afford expensive designers, making this a perfect opportunity. Online course creation. AI tools can dramatically reduce the time needed to create and sell online courses. Use ChatGPT to outline course structures, write lesson scripts, and create quizzes. Canva can help design course thumbnails, certificates, and promotional materials. Choose topics you're knowledgeable about or research trending skills that people want to learn. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare allow you to upload and monetize courses easily. The key is solving specific problems or teaching in-demand skills. AI helps you create comprehensive courses quickly while maintaining quality. You can price courses anywhere from $20 to $200 plus, depending on the value and depth of content you provide. Freelance writing and copywriting. ChatGPT excels at helping with various writing tasks, from articles to sales copy. You can offer services like website copy, email sequences, product descriptions, and marketing materials. The key is using AI as a starting point, then adding your expertise, research, and personal touch to create high-quality deliverables. Copywriting, especially for sales pages and advertisements, commands premium rates. Many businesses pay $500 to $1,000 for sales page copy or $100, $500 for email sequences. Start with smaller projects to build credibility, then gradually take on higher-value assignments. Understanding marketing psychology and combining it with AI assistance creates a powerful combination for generating income. Social media management. Managing social media accounts for businesses becomes much easier with AI tools. ChatGPT can generate captions, hashtags, and content ideas, while Canva creates the visual posts. Many businesses know they need social media presence, but lack the time or knowledge to manage it effectively. Offer comprehensive social media packages, including content planning, post creation, and scheduling. You can manage multiple accounts efficiently using AI to generate ideas and create content quickly. Typical rates range from $300 to $1,500 per month per client, depending on the number of platforms and posts included. Focus on specific niches initially to become known as an expert in particular industries. Digital product creation. AI tools enable you to create and sell digital products like ebooks, templates, checklists, and planners. ChatGPT can help write ebook content or create valuable resources, while Canva designs attractive covers and layouts. Digital products have high profit margins since there's no inventory or shipping costs. Research what digital products are selling well in your chosen niche. Create comprehensive guides, templates that save people time, or educational resources. Price them appropriately based on value provided, typically ranging from $9.99 to $99.99. Sell through platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. The beauty of digital products is they generate passive income once created and marketed properly. Virtual assistant services. AI-powered virtual assistant services are increasingly in demand. You can offer research, data entry, content creation, email management, and administrative tasks using AI tools to work more efficiently. ChatGPT can help with research and communication, while other AI tools can automate various tasks. Position yourself as a tech-savvy VA who leverages AI for faster, more accurate results. This allows you to take on more clients and charge premium rates because of your efficiency. Many entrepreneurs and busy professionals are willing to pay $15.40 per hour for reliable virtual assistants. The combination of human judgment and AI capability creates exceptional value for clients. Translation and language services. AI translation tools have come a long way, but there's still a strong need for human-reviewed translation services, especially when accuracy, tone, and cultural context matter. You can use AI tools like Google Translate or DeepL as a starting point to speed up your workflow. Then refine the output using your own language skills. This hybrid approach lets you work faster without compromising quality. There's a wide range of services you can offer, such as document translation, website localization, app content translation, or adapting marketing content for different regions. Businesses often seek help in making their content resonate with local audiences, and that's something AI can't fully do on its own. Translation rates vary depending on the language pair and project complexity. Common rates range from $0.10 to $0.30 per word, but specialized fields like legal, medical, or technical translation can pay significantly more due to the required expertise. If you have knowledge in any of these niches, you'll be able to charge higher rates. The key is combining the speed and convenience of AI with the nuance and judgment only a human can provide. This mix results in faster turnaround times, improved accuracy, and better client satisfaction, making you a more competitive and in-demand translator. The tools are free. The only investment is your time and action. Which method are you most excited to try first? Drop it in the comments or ask for help getting started, and I've got you. And if this video helped you see what's possible with just ChatGPT, Canva, and a Wi-Fi connection, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to stop scrolling and start earning. Until next time, stay creative, stay resourceful, and remember, in 2025, AI is your business partner.